Hi there! If you also want to learn how to build an Android and iOS application on your own, then you must watch this video till the end. So I brought to you a 47 hours of huge course which is based on Ionic, a technology with the help of which you can create an Android application, an iOS application, along with that a web application too, and all of it using the same code only. So you must be wondering why you should enroll in this particular course when a lot of free materials are available online which you can grab easily. Well, I'll give you 4 reasons why you should enroll in this particular course. This course is for anyone with basic understanding of HTML, JavaScript and CSS, which is nowadays taught at school level itself. So you get to learn from zero to publishing apps in this particular course with all the basics and core concepts which is necessary in cracking your interviews too. And not only that, you will also learn how to build a real world application such as Swiggy, Zomato or Uber Eats in this particular course. Now the second reason is that you get to learn how to structure an Ionic application in its best way, which you can also implement in other technologies also. And along with that, you will also learn the best coding practices and approaches in this particular course, which is must when you are working in a team in any company in the world. Now the third and the most important reason is the support, which you don't get in many courses. So out here, if you are getting stuck somewhere, you just let me know in the Q&A section and I will help you out to resolve the problem. And at times, if needed, I will personally help you out by accessing your system to resolve the problem in a much nicer way and explain you what all things are available out there. Now the fourth and the last reason is that within the first 15 days of its launch, this course has entered into the bestseller category, which is a great achievement for any new course. Now this course is available at Udemy, where a limited period offer is going on where you will get up to 97% off, which brings the price down to 360 rupees in Indian currency or $9.99 worldwide. So what are you waiting for? Go and enroll in this course right now. I'm eagerly waiting to see you in this particular course. Thank you.